For my startup assets, now I'm looking at the foreign currency exchange traded fund. It tells me to point my browser to this site, scroll down the page to the top 10 currency related ETFs. Each row represents an exchange traded fund that profits or loses when the exchange rates move. So what I'm going to do is hover the cursor over the symbol, and I'm going to choose one that happens to be, for me, I heard stories in the last few days about Brazil, especially because they had elections lately and their economy has really been doing well. So I'm going to scroll down this page to the top currency ETFs. And so what I'm interested in is the one that trades on the Brazil BZ. Okay, we need to find an easier way to get these British pounds. It's exchange trade in Swiss franc, specialist products, right? CYB. So it's hard to tell just by looking at those. I'm going to have to read a little bit more here. I chose correctly. The Wisdom Tree Drivers Brazilian Real Fund, BZF, is this guy's ticker symbol. So I will be able to just type in BZF to find the latest price. I'm going to Control-C that description to paste it into my spreadsheet. Now let's just read about this. It's trading at $29.43. And what about this fund? Let's see what it says. Headlines. Let me see. Fund basics. Fund summary. The fund seeks to achieve total returns reflective of both money market rates in Brazil available to foreign investors and changes in the value of the Brazilian real. This means that as the Brazilian real gets to become a stronger currency, say perhaps because of improving government situation there and business climate, then what's going to happen is that these reals will become more expensive. Okay, so that makes me money. Buy low, sell high. I'm buying at $29.43. Okay, and so let me go to my spreadsheet. And for my currency ETF, I put in a description right here, Control V, which is BZF. And then I put in my price down here, which we just saw was like $29.43. So I punch in 29.43. And I have to spend at least $10,000. So again, let's put 500 bucks in this guy. 500 shares, that is. $29 each means I'm spending about $15,000 on that. Okay, 500 times 30 would be 15,000. So I have purchased my startup securities.